Hi everybody. So this is CA Rohit Narang from level 2 batch 1 of AICA. Now this is my capstone project. So this is basically a CA office mail merge magician that I have created. Now the problem statement or my wish, what you can say was that in mail merge there is a process. That process is like we need to have a data source, and all of those fields are supposed to be placed manually into any document. So now this is an exercise that I never liked. So I've been using this mail merge just before Microsoft Word also, from the era of Word Star. So I thought of creating something that could ease my office staff's work also. So for that, let me explain you the functionality. Now what my application does is, so the moment you select any template, so for the convenience sake, I have actually already included few templates over here. So take an example, I'm taking this partnership deed example. So the moment I will, click on this, it will automatically detect all the placeholders which are there in any Word file. So this means you can create your own Word file, type in, in the brackets that these will be my fields. It will auto detect that thing. So in here, it has detected all the fields which were there in this particular template and it created a CSV file for you people. So in case you people are good working in Excel, so then it will help you. So you can open this CSV file and import that CSV file over here. And in case you don't want to do this thing, you can actually go here. You can actually type the details manually into this application itself, save it, and then you can preview it over here for the first template. Then the application can generate all the records in one go. You click on generate all and it will generate all the files for you. So let's actually look at it. So what I'm going to do, so instead of punching in the details over here, I'll just import a CSV that data that I actually already have punched in. So this is a template I'll be distributing along with the application also. So you go here, so it has actually imported all the records which were there in that CSV file. You go to this particular form, now the entire CSV file is loaded over here. So you can actually look at the second row, third row, based on the document. So this form is going to change. So you go there, you look at all of these fields. You want to make any certain modifications, you can make the modifications over here, save the row changes. Once you're done with it, you go to the preview and you want to see whether everything is working fine or not. So the first record, it will show the preview on screen. So this is the deed, Amit Sharma, Neha Gupta, PAN and other details are mentioned over here. And just like, mail merge, so we will go to generate and click on, generate all. Before that, you've got an options to name your file on which field. So I have, by default, it will pick the field that has got the main name. So here firm name was the main name. So it picked that thing. I'll click on generate all. Now it has created all the files for me with this particular folder. So what I'll do, I will be going to this mail merge magician, this file, program files. So here, you see, so I'll go to this templates and it has created like with the date and timestamp, 10th of September 2025, and I'm recording at roughly 12:55 and the seconds are also there. You go here, now this KS Logistics, RP Knitwear, Sharma Gupta, all of that firm name along with it, it has generated. So I'll just click on this first one, KS Logistics. So your partnership deed is ready with you, where the placeholders were placed in that particular field, but no mapping was already done. Now there is one more functionality that I have included in here. So what if we have a Word file where there are no placeholders or the fields are not inserted into the file? Now dynamically it can detect the fields, but what if we don't have the file? So what I'll do, so I have just given one more folder along with the application. So this is the templates without placeholders. So what I'm going to do, take an example, I'll just go for this affidavit in income. So look at this. So there are no fields mentioned over there. So these are the blank forms that are available just like as a format on almost every website, etc., etc. So these are the blank spaces that is supposed to be filled by people. So these were the spaces where we were supposed to actually insert the fields also. So what my application will do, so let's go to the application. I'll select this one only, select docs template without placeholders, and I'll go to this affidavit and income. So it has actually detected all the fields for you and created a CSV just like the basic one. So it has created a CSV also. You can open the CSV and punch in the data over there. So this has got all the fields automatically inserted into this particular template. Let me show you that thing. So this is template. So now this is with placeholders, the document that my application has created. You go here, you see these fields are all automatically inserted into the document. So, and the flow will remain the same in the application. So you just go here, you can import the CSV for this particular thing, or you can punch in the data over here and then go to the preview and generate the files for you. Now the logs are also generated in this. So the moment you click the refresh logs, it will tell you everything that has been done in the application, right from it checks the template to CSV loading and generation of documents. So it will tell you all the things. Just like recently we have generated these firm name details, so it will automatically show you everything. One more thing, so there is a license thing also. So by default, this application will work for 30 days on your system, 30 days from the date on which you have installed this application. And in case you want to buy the license, so you can provide the serial number and the license key will be given to you. You can activate it and then you're good to go for, forever, you can say this thing. Right, thank you. So that was my capstone project. Thanks a lot for, looking at this. Thank you so much.